Chapter 1: Introduction to Pacific Island Permaculture. Definition of permaculture. Permaculture is a comprehensive design system that seeks to create sustainable human habitats by integrating ecology and ethical design principles. The term permaculture was coined in the mid-1970s by Australian ecologist Bill Mollison and his student David Holmgren as a portmanteau of permanent agriculture and permanent culture. At its core, permaculture is about creating systems that mimic natural ecosystems and utilize natural patterns and principles to both sustain and regenerate the land. Permaculture principles are based on three core ethics: care for the earth, care for people, and fair share. These ethics guide the design of productive ecosystems that have the diversity, stability, and resilience of natural ecosystems, while providing for human needs. Permaculture seeks to integrate different elements of the landscape, including plants, animals, buildings, and people, to create self-sustaining and regenerative systems. In traditional Pacific Island gardening, permaculture principles are applied to create sustainable food production systems that are tailored to the specific needs and environmental conditions of the islands. Understanding the importance of permaculture in the Pacific Islands starts with acknowledging the unique challenges facing the region. The Pacific Islands are inherently vulnerable to environmental and climatic changes, thus making sustainable food production a vital priority for the people living there. Permaculture in the Pacific combines traditional gardening techniques with modern permaculture principles to provide sustainable solutions for food production. Traditional gardening in the Pacific Islands has long centered around sustainable and organic practices that align with permaculture principles. For centuries, Pacific Islanders have cultivated a rich variety of crops including taro, breadfruit, yam, bananas, coconut, and more. These crops are well suited to the local environment and are vital sources of nutrition for the island communities. Permaculture in the Pacific utilizes this knowledge of traditional plant species and gardening techniques to create sustainable food production systems. This includes techniques such as companion planting, polycultures, agroforestry, and water harvesting to create diverse and productive gardens that help support the local community. The integration of traditional knowledge and permaculture principles has enabled Pacific Islanders to create regenerative food production systems that are responsive to the challenges they face, such as land degradation, extreme weather events, and limited access to resources. By applying permaculture techniques, Pacific Islanders are able to tap into the resilience and diversity of their natural ecosystems to create sustainable food sources.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?